Hi everyone, it's Laura here. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of that constant ringing or buzzing in your ears? Or maybe you've noticed your hearing isn't as clear as it used to be. If so, I have something really important to share with you today. Let me introduce you to Quietum Plus, a powerful, all-natural supplement specially designed to support hearing health and reduce tinnitus by targeting its root causes. If you're dealing with ear discomfort, or just want to protect your hearing long-term, Quietum Plus might be the game changer you've been waiting for. But first, a really important warning. Quietum Plus is only available through its official website. If you see it being sold elsewhere, like Amazon or random online shops, it's likely a fake product that won't work and could be harmful. Always buy from the official site to get the real product and take advantage of exclusive discounts and the risk-free money-back guarantee. I've left the official link in the description below for you. So, what exactly is Quietum Plus, and how does it work? Quietum Plus is a premium dietary supplement made from a carefully crafted blend of natural ingredients. Its formula is designed to improve blood flow to your ears, repair nerve damage, and reduce inflammation, all of which are major contributors to hearing issues and tinnitus. Let's go over a few of the key ingredients. You've got fenugreek, which helps regulate blood sugar and supports healthy circulation, especially important for the tiny blood vessels in the ear. Then there's yam and Dong Quai, both known for reducing inflammation and supporting nerve health. You'll also find motherwort and hops extract, which are great for calming the nervous system, helping to reduce the stress and tension that often make tinnitus worse. And lastly, L-tyrosine, a crucial amino acid that supports communication between nerves, helping you maintain sharp, clear hearing. What makes Quietum Plus different is that it doesn't just mask the noise. It goes after the underlying problems like poor blood flow, nerve stress, and inflammation. Plus, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and completely free of harmful chemicals, making it safe for long-term use. People using Quietum Plus have reported great results, from noticeable reductions in tinnitus to sharper hearing and even improved focus. Some say it's changed their life because they finally feel peace and quiet again. Taking Quietum Plus is super simple. Just take 2 capsules a day, preferably with a meal. For the best and lasting results, it's recommended to use it for 3 to 6 months. And don't forget, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if for any reason you're not happy with it, you can get a full refund. No questions asked. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to visit the official Quietum Plus website and get your supply today. I personally recommend going for the 3 or 6 bottle packages for the best results. Plus, they come with free shipping. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Olivia. Take care of your hearing and your health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.